The Nikon Z90 is poised to be a significant addition to Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup, targeting enthusiasts and professionals who seek high performance in a compact form. Building upon the legacy of the D500, the Z90 is expected to offer advanced features tailored for both photographers and videographers. The Nikon Z90 is anticipated to be a significant addition to Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup, targeting enthusiasts and professionals who seek high performance in a compact form. Building upon the legacy of the D500, the Z90 is expected to offer advanced features tailored for both photographers and videographers. High-resolution APS-C sensor. The Z90 is rumored to feature a 33.4-megapixel DX format CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality with enhanced detail and dynamic range. This resolution positions it competitively against rivals like the Canon EOS R7. Advanced image processing. Equipped with the XP7 image processor, the Z90 is expected to offer improved performance, including faster autofocus, reduced noise at high ISOs, and efficient power consumption. Impressive video capabilities. Videographers can anticipate UHD 4K recording at 60 frames per second, along with full HD recording at up to 180 frames per second for slow-motion footage. These features make the Z90 a versatile tool for content creators. In-body image stabilization, IBIS. The inclusion of 5-axis IBIS, providing up to 6 stops of stabilization, ensures sharp images and steady videos, even in challenging shooting conditions. Enhanced autofocus system. The Z90 is expected to boast an AI-powered autofocus system with improved 3D tracking and subject detection capabilities, including recognition of people, animals, and vehicles. High-speed continuous shooting. Photographers capturing fast-paced action will benefit from the Z90's ability to shoot at 15 frames per second with a mechanical shutter, ensuring critical moments are not missed. Dual card slots. For flexibility and reliability, the Z90 is anticipated to feature dual card slots, one CF Express Type B and one SD card slot, allowing for simultaneous recording and backup. Connectivity options. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will facilitate seamless wireless transfer of images and remote camera control via compatible devices. Design and ergonomics. The Z90 is expected to maintain a compact and lightweight design, similar to the Z50, making it ideal for travel and on-the-go shooting. A 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD will provide flexibility in composing shots from various angles. Expected release and pricing. While Nikon has not officially announced the Z90, industry speculation suggests a release in early to mid-2025. Pricing is anticipated to fall between $1,500 and $2,000, positioning it as a competitive option in the APS-C mirrorless market. Target audience. The Nikon Z90 is aimed at advanced enthusiasts and professionals who require high-speed performance, robust video capabilities, and a portable form factor. Its features make it suitable for sports, wildlife, and event photography, as well as content creation for platforms like YouTube.